Your pantry might store your food, but over time, it can become cluttered, dusty, and even attract pests. Here's how to give your pantry a deep clean and keep it fresh and organized. Step 1. Start with a clean slate. Take out everything: canned goods, dry foods, snacks, spices, and even bins or organizers. Step 2. Check expiration dates, damaged packaging, and stale-smelling items. Discard anything questionable and consider donating sealed, in-date items you no longer use. Step 3. Use a handheld vacuum to remove crumbs and dust. Then wipe down all shelves and walls using warm water and mild dish soap. Don't forget the corners and pantry floor. Step 4. Wash all baskets, jars, and plastic bins with warm, soapy water. Let them dry thoroughly to avoid trapping moisture that could lead to mold. Step 5. Look for signs of insects or rodents, like droppings, chewed packaging, or webbing. Take appropriate pest control measures before restocking. Step 6. Sort items by type: grains, snacks, canned goods, baking items. Use clear bins and label shelves for quick reference and easy access. Step 7. Wipe down doors and handles with all-purpose cleaner. Make it a habit to do a quick monthly check. Your pantry will stay fresh and functional. A clean and organized pantry makes cooking easier, saves money, and reduces waste. No time to clean? Let us help. Call Bear Brothers. Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com, because your home deserves to be berry clean.